Print on adhesive paper. You can now produce high quality sticker simply with a regular printer at home. There are two different types of film stickers depending on what type of printer is used, for inkjet and laser. You can also choose clear or white for color options. For this product, you will need the papers, printer, scissors or craft knife. Use the computer to edit the size and shape of the image. Please note that the printing side is different from clear and white. Print on the glossy side for the clear sticker and the matte side for the white sticker. Cut out the image. Scratch with your fingernails to remove the backing paper. Wipe the surface clean and then mount the image. But be careful, the inkjet inks are water soluble, which means it will dissolve in water. So you might want to spray coat afterwards. Keep the remaining papers in an airtight plastic bag. Thanks for watching. If you want more information about our products, please visit our website at www.sunnyscopa.co.kr. You can also email us if you have any questions. I've put the email address down below.